Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install pip in Visual Studio Code. It's really simple and easy. Although pip is generally downloaded automatically when we install Python in our system, but somehow if this is not installed into your system, then we can install this also. For that, open the Visual Studio Code and now we will click on this terminal and select this new terminal. Now in this terminal, we have to just run this particular command. So this command will download this get pip py file from this particular website. Hit enter. So the command is executed successfully. We can see here the file is downloaded as expected. Finally, to install pip, we will execute this downloaded Python file. So we will write python 3 space get-pip.py and the installation is complete. At the last, we will see this message successfully installed, which means the installation is completed successfully. Now to verify the installation, we will check the version of pip. So we will write pip space hyphen hyphen version and you will see these details here. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to install pip in Visual Studio Code. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.